How to change language on Kimi AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to learn how we can easily change the language setting inside the Kimi application. So this process works for your mobile device as well as tablets, so let's get started. First of all, launch open your Kimi application on your smartphone or tablets. Make sure that you're logged into your Kimi AI account. Once you're in, from the home page of Kimi, go to the top left corner and tap the 3 horizontal menu button. Now from the expanded menu, tap on your username at the top and this will open up the settings menu. From the settings page, click on the language selection option. Here, you'll be able to see the list of languages you can choose from. Simply go ahead and select another language you want to change to, and soon after you do that, you can head back and you will see your language changed. If you want to switch back to English, all you need to do is to get to the settings page and look for this AA kind of an icon and look for this language option over here and select English. So it is quite easy, isn't it? Now your Kimi AI interface should feel more comfortable to use. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.